Have you ever looked up at the night sky and seen a tiny, steady light slowly crossing among the stars, moving too fast to be a plane and too slow to be a shooting star? It is truly an awe-inspiring sight. That bright speck is likely a satellite, a human-made object orbiting our planet. These silent travelers are a testament to our ingenuity and connection to the cosmos. If you are hoping to catch a glimpse of these amazing objects, the absolute best times to see satellites are during the twilight hours, specifically just after sunset or just before sunrise. This narrow window provides the perfect cosmic conditions for spotting them with your own eyes. The reason for this specific timing comes down to a fascinating interplay of light and shadow involving the sun, the earth, and the satellite itself. Satellites do not generate their own light. Instead, they become visible to us because they reflected sunlight, much like the moon does. For you to see a satellite, two main conditions must be met. First, the satellite must be high enough in its orbit to still be illuminated by the sun. Second, your viewing location on Earth must be dark enough for the satellite to stand out against the background sky. During the hours immediately following sunset or preceding sunrise, your position on the ground is already immersed in the Earth's shadow, meaning it is dark. However, satellites in low Earth orbit, which are typically hundreds of miles above us, are still high enough to be bathed in direct sunlight. This creates a perfect contrast, a brightly lit object against a dark canvas, making it relatively easy to spot. As the night progresses, the Earth's shadow extends higher into space, eventually engulfing even the low Earth orbit satellites, making them disappear from view until they reemerge into sunlight again before dawn. To increase your chances of a successful sighting, you do not need any special equipment, just your eyes and a little planning. Start by checking a reliable satellite tracking website or a dedicated mobile application. These tools provide precise predictions for when and where specific satellites, like the International Space Station or Starlink trains, will be visible from your exact location. Enter your geographic coordinates, and the tracker will tell you the optimal viewing windows, including the direction and altitude in the sky where the satellite will appear. On the day of your planned viewing, try to find a spot away from bright city lights for the best possible experience. Look towards the predicted direction a few minutes before the specified time, and simply scan the sky. While many satellites appear as simple moving dots, some offer even more spectacular sights. For instance, the International Space Station is often one of the brightest objects you can see, appearing as a very fast-moving, brilliant star. And if you are lucky, you might witness a Starlink train, which is a long line of newly launched Starlink satellites moving in formation across the sky before they spread out into their operational orbits. These unique visual events are quite popular among sky gazers. Understanding the science behind these timings allows you to not just passively observe but actively seek out these incredible displays of space technology. By understanding the simple science of sunlight and shadows, and knowing when to look, you can transform a casual glance at the night sky into an exciting opportunity to connect with the incredible world of space exploration. It is a fantastic way to witness the silent dance of human engineering high above us, reminding us of the constant progress happening just beyond our atmosphere.
Join us at Space Tech Insider, where innovation meets the infinite. Discover the future today.